4 burgers. We're covering off all the bases.
We're not going to drop our pants.
Today we're eating in Tāmaki Makaurau Auckland, and we're doing a deep dive into our favourite burger joint, Lucky G's.
We want to get behind the scenes, into the kitchen, order heaps of the menu, just show you what this amazing burger joint is all about. Meet the team, see the kitchen. I'm Thomas.
And I'm Sheena, and we're chasing a plate.
Hope you're hungry. Let's eat.
Hey! Lucky G's is a burger joint we return to time and time again. The food is so good, and we just want to share with you their epic menu. So we are going to order up a huge feast. We're going to go 4 burgers, a beef burger, a veggie burger, a fish burger, and a chicken burger. We're going to grab some loaded fries.
I love that we're here with the camera, which means we can justify ordering 4 burgers, right?
4
burgers, loaded fries, and a side of fried chicken for 2 people. What a job.
I also love the vibe here. The team are so friendly. You always get a really warm welcome, and seriously, the food has knocked your socks off. Show you what it's all about now. Hi guys!
Hi guys! Welcome to Lucky G's!
Tony, the owner of Lucky G's, Ty, and we're gonna show you what these burgers are all about.
It really does have a lovely feeling in the shop. It's really neat how it's set up. Lots of memorabilia and got that sort of Americana vibe. But then the whole team, just every time you come in here, you are warmly welcomed.
Can we just take a moment to appreciate how clean this kitchen is? The hot plate looks like it's never been used. I can also almost see my reflection in the stainless steel. Tony, it's amazing, you guys. It's like such pride in their workplace. Okay, sorry, cook.
Thank you. Gotta smash now. Sweet. So we only use halal beef.
So you guys specialize in smash burgers.
No, we're just nothing but a burger place shop out here in the West, doing what we like. That's it. Yes.
I think that's it, isn't it? It's like it's doing what you love.
Yeah, there's so many good brothers and friends out here in the West. You know, there's a Cane's Burger Shop, there's Jack's Burger Club, there's a Baby G's, and there's That Smash just opened up recently in Glen, Eden. So you know what? It is good that it's like a friendly competitions that like what motivates us every day to people to come out in the West and enjoy the burgers. Like, oh, I gotta go try this place and that place, and like, wow, you know, and that makes us motivate every day to come back to work like, wow, there's a new burgers, you know, we gotta try it on, you know what I mean? And that's just who we are, you know?
And that's just who you are, like that's Tony. You know, you're just shouting out all these other burger shops.
Yes.
And like recognizing others' hard work.
Oh, very hard work.
That's this guy to a T.
Yes, it's a very hard work. Hey boss, how are you? Hey, what can I get for you today? There's no gimmicks, there's no shortcuts, just use every single day, just a fresh ingredient.
That's what I find so appealing about your burgers. Like the salad is always so crisp and green.
Made in New Zealand.
Yeah, like the ingredients
Go out
are
here
top
in New
notch.
Zealand, yes.
What really sets these burgers apart from the rest is the quality of the ingredients. So they get their buns, their milk buns specially made for them, special recipe. The salad, like I said, so crisp. The sauce, always a generous amount, super flavoursome. And the meat, oh, it is succulent, it's juicy. I love filming days. 4 burgers, we're covering off all the bases. Thigh guy, which is the chicken burger. This is the veggie burger, 2 hash browns. Fish burger, fresh John Dory. And the classic beef. This is the Lil G. We've got loaded fries as well, and these guys excel at fried chicken. So we've got a basket of their GFC to wash it all down. Lil G is my go-to order every time we eat here. So you've got the classic smash patty cos lettuce, cheese, tomato, red onion, their special burger sauce, and a very pillowy milk bun. It never disappoints. It is the perfect burger in my opinion. That beef has got crispy, lacy, crunchy edges. The burger sauce is epic. So much freshness from the red onion and the cos and the tomato. This is my first time eating the Water Catch, their fish burger, and it's so impressive. Huge piece of fried fish, double cheese, tartare sauce, red onion, that milk bun again. I feel like I've got to take a bite from this center bit because it looks so impressive. Get all the good stuff. I will definitely be ordering this again. Whoa, there's so much flavour in that crumb of the fish. The cheese, the tartare sauce is bang on. That is a damn fine fish burger.
What is your favourite one on the menu, Tony?
Lil G, Lil G. No doubt, Lil G, right, Ty? Yes, sir. It's just like, but when I'm hungry, I just add an extra patty. Yeah. Make that as a twice as nice.
I'm so thrilled to be able to film videos like this of places we have come to countless times, places we love, but do this proper deep dive. A table of food like this, we know it's ridiculous, we know it's not normal, we know we're having takeaway for dinner tonight as well because there's going to be so much, but it's such a joy to be able to get into the kitchens, get you to meet the team, order a bunch of their menu, really show you what they're all about. This is such a good day.
Tony's just putting together our Thigh Guy, which is their chicken burger, and it recently just won an Auckland Iconic Eat Award, didn't it?
Luckily, yes, we are. We're very blessed. Like, first 3 years was twice as nice. And yes, we got an email saying that you guys won the Iconic Eats of 2025. I was like, no way. And they said, it's Thigh Guy. So as soon as I chatted to Stan, brother, you know what, we've won the Thigh Guy. It's like, whoosh, 3 years. After that, finally Underdog made a place.
So Thigh Guy is what?
So it has 160 grams of halal free-range fresh chicken, brine chicken, deep fried, coating in our Lucky G powders.
Thigh.
Thigh, yes, fresh chicken thigh. And with garnish of shredded lettuce and dill pickles, and of course Lucky G burger sauce is a standard, but people can often change their spicy level from mild to medium, even hot to extra hot. Nice. When you have a beautiful fried chicken, when you bite it, you see a layers of like juice comes out. You know what I mean? That's what I wanted from my Thigh Guy. So yeah, so it is pretty good texture, good balance of a brine levels.
Yeah, just like flavor packed.
It's very bold flavor, yes.
This piece of fried chicken thigh, like look at that. It's like a picture postcard burger. So brined for 24 hours, chicken thigh, so dark meat. That mouthful was just all chicken, but I'm not sad about it. It's crispy, crunchy, juicy. Like some of the burgers have been sitting here for a while because we've been in the kitchen filming, but they haven't suffered for it. Like that hasn't gone soggy and oily. It is still a stunning burger. I love spending my money here because I know I'm going to get really good feed, great quality ingredients. The team are awesome, small business, welcoming, friendly. I feel really good when I eat here. Loaded fries, so trifecta of sauces, barbecue, burger sauce, mayo, cheese, a whole chopped up smashed patty, fries obviously, and then jalapenos. This is the veggie burger. 2 hash browns, jalapeno mayo, jalapenos, raw red onion, cooked onion, cheese, lettuce, milk bun. I would never usually order a vegetarian burger at a burger shop. That's just not me. I'm a meat girl all the way. But that might change my mind. It is very good. We've got the crunch from the hash browns. There's something about having both the cooked onion and the raw onion. The cooked onion just adds this caramelized, sort of almost creamy flavor in your mouth, and then the jalapeno mayo, far out. That ticks the boxes.
Sheena's description of the veggie burger has made me want to try it because exactly the same. I would never go for a veggie burger. That is really good. I think I'll still go for the meat burgers, but not because that's not good. Wow, that is super tasty, but I'm going to chase it with some chicken. We do love getting a side of chicken here because often I find that when you come to burger shops and things, a side like this is just a tack on to their menu. It doesn't come across like that here at all. Great crispiness. There's flavor in all of it. There's flavor in the batter, there's flavor in the chicken. That brining works wonders. For anyone in the know, Lucky G started as a very secret spot. There was no signage, there was no Google listing. It just grew from word of mouth and everyone's passion for it. And it's not the case anymore. It's on Google Maps, there's a sign out front. So people know about it. Like, everyone knows about it now. You've got to get here. If you've not been here, get here now. If you have been here, get back here now. It is such a great spot. Great food, and it is time for us to just undo our pants and start showing
Undo our
down.
buttons.
I mean,
I don't think anyone wants to see
we're
that.
not going to drop our pants. We're just going to loosen that top button, get amongst it, and feast on incredible burgers. Get here now. Thanks for watching this one. Heaps more to come. See you on the next one.
Thanks, guys.